Hi there, we are back again with the second Sudoku in this additional, a two-star Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 21st in 2020, yes. Second one, a two-star Sudoku, and this will be which number will this be? Number 1196. Alright, and before I start, I always count the numbers, probably 26 because the previous one has 27. We have 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is equal to 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 2 is 15, plus 3 is equal to 18, 19, 22 plus 4 is 26, equal to 26, yes. So let's get started. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. 4 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 7, here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 7, here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7, here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. Then 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. Yeah. Then 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column, the 2 and the 8. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2, 5. Yes, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. These 2 numbers are the 2 and a 5. Let me mark them for you. 2 and a 5. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. And then 3 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. Here 9. No 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. I marked them for you so it's easier to follow. And we have also 2 and 5. How about these 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 5 and 9? We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the row above the first row, only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the middle column. The only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 9, here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright, alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then, how about the 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 2, 3, 8. I have 2 and a 5 marked here. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 2. This should be the 5. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 4, I believe. Yes. 3, 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 5 in this big square, the 2, and the 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 2 and the 6 goes here. Let me mark them for you. 2 and 6. That means in the last row, the only two boxes left for the numbers 1 and 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 and 8. These two numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. No, cannot fill this yet, need to wait. These, the first column. We already have a 6 here. This cannot be a 6. This should be the 2. This should be the 6. Yes. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So in the second column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. No, 7 we have 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. Then 1 number left in this row for the number 1. The first, yeah. Now I have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, quicker than the first Sudoku. So, if you have less numbers, you can still be faster than the Sudoku with more numbers. Alright, I like this. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku in this additional, a 4 stars Sudoku. So see you later, and bye bye.